made a video. I was busy in my garden. I'm selling flowers. Look at my lilies. Can you see it? Lilies. It's all the way there. I'm going to get the shovel. I already dug some. I think I have one there. I'm going to get the shovel. You stay right there. I'll be back. My night rider lily. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put this in the pot. I'm going to sell it today. Today's Saturday. I will get this yellow lily right there. Can you see right here? This is my starlet, or the Forever Susan lily, and I have here my morpho pink, and I'm going to get me this pearl milne yellow lily. Oh, this vine is not welcome here in Arlene's garden. I have to take you out. You are a pest. I do not like this vine. Some people, they love these flowers, but not me. She's not paying rent in my garden.
What do you mean I'm a pest? I'm helping you do this video.
I know, right?
Oh,
Okay.
the vine is a pest. You meant the other pest.
Oh, well, whatever. I'm going to dig this one. I'm so light. I cannot push that shovel down the ground. Sometimes I break my lily. Look at this. Beautiful. See how tall that is? Oops. Yeah. I have me a bucket there in a minute. I'm going to put that there and show you how I do it. There's some more. This is my more pink. Look. Beautiful. Now, I'm going to put that in this bucket, in this pot, and I'll take it where I got my plants. This one is so big. Look. Now, see? You follow me? I do this every day. Okay, you can see this is my life, And you can see, look, I just got this one. See, I just put this in the pot, and that is going to my store. Now I'm going to move this dirt. And see, spot. Put that one there. And put this water. There's a little fertilizer in there. And this one got to go this way. And look at this. I don't know if that works. I think it's too big. Let me go this way. Okay? It's kind of oversized plant. It will not fit in that small pot. So put the water there so that it will not wilt. There. You know. So I will do that so that it will not fall over. And put water there. See? That's my Melanie. And this one, these stuck together. Uh-oh. How can I do this? I know what to do with this. I'm going to cut it. They're together. There. They are together. And here's one. Put there. And in a minute, I'll take you to my garden. I have to wash it because I'll put the price later. And you know there's a baby here, so I'm going to take the baby away. Yeah, I'm going to plant this for the next year. I will sell the mama. So the baby will go here, that way, put the water, and that.
You see, she has a general community where the flowers live, and she has a nursery where the babies grow, and she's got an intensive care unit.
Yes, there. And I'm going to forget this one.
A maternity ward.
Yeah, I'm going to forget that one. I'm going to take you to my we're going to open the store now. So before my husband open the store, I'm going to show you the blooms of my flowers inside the yard. Let's go. I'm here, I'm pulling the vine. And I'm going, there's so much grass, weeds. I am working every day, non-stop. Here's some more lily. And I want to show you my hydrangea. Come closer, my cameraman. Just ignore all those pots there. It's just hard. See my hydrangea. Take that video, all the hydrangea there, closer. There. And this, it's not all bloomed yet. And I have, look at the lily on the ground. Yes. And I have all this hydrangea. You see that? How big that is? Hey, look. Oh, a hydrangea. She's so good. Oh, I have some secret to tell you. My hydrangea, they don't bloom really well sometimes. The things that makes this hydrangea bloom really good, right here. Can you see that? There. Let me see. See? A hydrangea is as pretty as me. No, I'm not pretty. Can you see the whole thing? Can you scoot back? There. Okay. There's a secret to make your hydrangea bloom really good. As you notice, all my hydrangea, they're here next to the wall. They are blooming very, very good. Because I always grab my husband, don't throw away my coffee pods. You know the ground, the coffee ground coffee, whatever.
Coffee grounds.
Coffee grounds. I save them to throw in my hydrangeas. And look! And also, there's another secret that you do not want to hear. People thought it's gross, but really it's not. You know, when you pee in the morning, I know it sounds gross, but this is the thing that makes my hydrangea look like this. As you see, and the color used to be baby pink. This hydrangea was baby pink. Because of the acids that I put in here, now it's dark pink. Maybe next year it will turn into like violets and become blue. Hydrangea turn the color according to the, change the color according to the pH of your dirt. And this one, I save my pee in the morning and pour it in my hydrangea, mix it with water. And you notice it's closer to the door. And, oh, ignore my ladder. I went up to the roof and pick up my my big umbrella. The wind blow up on the roof, and I couldn't find anywhere on the ground the huge umbrella, and it was sitting on top of the roof, so I used that ladder and I hung my plants there. And there's a lot of indoor plants there. But anyway, it's close to the door, and I dumped my stuff right here, and you can see how healthy. Is that healthy looking? No, but anyway, look at the flowers. It's amazing. It's like every single stem have flowers. See this? There. It's so amazing. So how to make your hydrangea bloom? Save your coffee ground. And if you feel, if you think that you can save your pee in the morning, save it. There's nothing wrong with that. Actually, it's not that dirty if it's new. And mix it with water and water your hydrangea with it. This is the living proof of what I am doing. Beautiful. And I have dozens of hydrangeas somewhere out there, and they are not blooming because I didn't put anything like I did this one and that one. And I'm going to show you my hydrangea also in the other side. I also did the same thing there next to the door. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll make another video. And this is my white hydrangea. Never bloomed for many years. And the reason they were blooming this year because what I did, I put some coffee grounds and I put some of the pea in the plants. And the hydrangea is the acid loving plants. And if you do that, they'll give you a very nice pretty bloom right there. The same thing with this hydrangea. It didn't bloom for many years. And look at this. They just love coffee. and the color is deep, beautiful. I hope guys that you enjoy it. I will make another video that the next day, or maybe that, you know, in these few days I'm going to show you all the lilies that are blooming in my garden before they all being sold out. So I'm going to sell them. Alright, thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that when you turn on your phone and when I uploaded a video, you will receive the notification that there's some video coming up. Thank you so much, and you guys have a blessed day. Goodbye.